What's up, gang? Today I'm in character because we're gonna be doing something very special. We're gonna be building a computer. I'm so excited. Okay, so just as a disclaimer, this video is not a how-to video. It's purely just me putting together a computer so that you guys can watch, because I know some of you are into that. We're gonna be doing a high-end, mostly MSI build with an AMD processor.
Drum roll, please.
We got a 9950 X3D, a $5 gift card to Walmart. 96 gigabytes of RAM. Why? Because fuck you, that's why. For our motherboard, we got the X870E Carbon. Look at all those needy holes waiting to be filled. Ah! Oh, bitch, let's get started. Okay, so I saved myself the embarrassment of opening the case in front of you guys. This is the MSI Pano 100R PC. Let's go ahead and start with the motherboard. Oh my goodness. I always get so excited whenever I open the boxes. Okay, hold on. I don't want to get ahead of myself because I'll get too excited and I'll forget what the fuck I need to do. Okay, this part always like stresses me out. Hold on. I always have to treat this stuff like it's my baby. Okay. And I remember the first time that I undid this and this plastic part came off, I thought, or like when you put the CPU in and the plastic piece comes off, I thought I fucking broke it. I was devastated. I just gotta put this in here and hope that I don't touch any of the prongs, because that's what makes me nervous. I've just heard stories of people hurting the prongs. Okay, I'm just gonna, oh my god. Oh my god. You always gotta give it a little wiggle. Okay, all right, this part I hate. Oh, okay, all right, we got this, oh yay! That's the part that I'm talking about. When that plastic piece comes off, it always makes me think that I broke something, but we got it. We got the CPU in. Look at that, all nice and shiny and in there, and I don't have to deal with that again. Oh my god. Okay, and here we have our 96 gigabytes of RAM. I know that's completely unnecessary, but fuck you. I have told multiple people, and every single time, their response is just, why? Because I want it.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Yeah, boy.
I don't need it. I need it!
I know that, like, having 64 is completely fine. Even possibly just having, oh, I didn't go deep enough. That's what he said. I almost got 128. Okay, let's get these bad boys in here. And this part always makes me nervous too, because I feel like I'm having to put too much pressure on it and I don't want to break it. I swear to God, I always get in my head about this part because I get so freaking nervous. Nervous. There we go. Okay, okay. I wanted to make sure it was facing the right way. All right. I got this one. It's gonna go in just... Okay, there's that one. Oh my God. I swear I'm just gonna like have a full-blown like, by the end of this. I'm gonna be so excited, but I'm just gonna be like mentally exhausted. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get to our memory. Get this bad boy out. Ew. And we got 4 terabytes because that seems to treat me pretty well. I always feel like you have to push way too hard with this, but I feel like that with every part. I feel like, I mean, especially with the RAM, because I feel like I'm just breaking it. There we go. Oh. All right, and then we're going to leave this off so that we can put that standoff screw in there later. So I prepped the area so that I can put the heavy-ass motherboard into the big-ass case. Let's get started. Come here, motherfucker. Oh my gosh. All right. And yes, I'm using a stool. Don't look at me like that. I'm too short. Would you hire me to do your computer? Perfect, there we go. Okay. And I learned my lesson last time that you just need to put the screws in just a teeny tiny bit. And then once you know that everything is good, you can tighten them. Because I had to redo that like 3 times because I kept putting it together and I'm like, why is one of them off? What is going on? Okay, so it didn't go as planned, but it's in there. It looks amazing and it fits and it's beautiful. So we're going to put this piece back on and then we are gonna go ahead and put the power supply in. Okay, let's give this baby some juice. I can't wait to put this in. Okay. Don't judge my weakness. Oh my God, I really, honestly, like compared to the last case that I've had, I love this so much. All right, let's slot him in there. Oh man, and I always forget, the screws are so long. So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm going to set it on its back so that I can go ahead and install the cooler. I could do it standing up, but I just feel like it's gonna be a lot easier on me. Alrighty, let's flip this big boy over. What's cooler than being cool? Alright. Okay, so we are now going to install the MSI Core Liquid P13 360. And I'm excited to install him because we're nearly done, besides the wiring, of course. Screws right on top. So I got my screws and my screwdriver. Okay, so let's go ahead and start these. Jesus. Let's go ahead and start screwing this in. I'm gonna try to be really, really careful because I don't want to hit any of these prongs. Okay. Oh my gosh, this screwdriver saves me, I swear. I just wish it would, I wish I could like, I wish it was mechanical, you know what I mean? Where it would like screw it in for me. Little action. Oh my god. Okay. I think I got it. I did! We are going to go ahead and put our thermal paste on and install the part that actually goes on the CPU. I forgot how much I love the like texture and viscosity of this.
What do you mean by that?
All right, we gooped it up. And I did something that I recommend everybody do when they build a PC, is I read the manual. And I actually figured out exactly what you should do, and this seems like it should be a lot easier than the last time that I installed a cooler. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the standoffs. Ooh, here comes the exciting part. I'm so excited for this. It's the screen that gets me. Because as soon as I saw this one, I was like, I have to have it, please. Ooh, oh my god, this fits so nicely. Okay, all right. We got that to go in. It took me a second, but 'twas worth it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, I noticed with these, because I looked up a video for these, they do make me a little nervous because it seems like you have to put a good amount of pressure on them, but we'll see. Hold on. Let me just double check that I have all of this in nice and tight, and then we'll put the last piece on and we'll be done with the cooler. Okay, so we have the cooler in. So now we have to do the wiring. So I'm gonna go ahead and save you guys the pain of watching me wire this baby because I'm gonna have to put a movie on. This is going to take me a while.
One eternity later.
Oh, sorry. I've just been wiring for the past 3 fucking hours. I thought because I had done it before, I would have an easier time, but there's just so many wires, adapters, little pins. These are just the extra wires. I had to dig through a bunch of user manuals and that shit gets confusing. Like, what the fuck is that? I'm not even sure that I did it totally right, but look at this cable management, looking pretty fine. Except for the back, but luckily we have these doors, so we don't have to look at it. Now, I should have done a test before putting all of this together to make sure that my parts work, but I'm willing to embarrass myself in front of the internet. So let's go ahead and put the real meat and potatoes inside. the 5070 Ti. Oh, the dragon looks cool. Oh my God. There it is, boys. She's all wired up and ready. I gotta try to control myself though, because now we've gotta try turning this thing on. We did it. First try! First fucking try! Oh my God, we did it! Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure the BIOS doesn't need to be updated and download Windows. I'm gonna do that off camera, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a final reveal. We did it, boys. Technically, it wasn't first try because I did have to rewire it a couple of times to get the RGB to work correctly, but look at it. I'm wildly fortunate to be able to have something like this, and I never thought that I would. Not that I didn't work my ass off for it, but still. If you're on the fence about whether to do a build or not and you're afraid to try, go ahead and turn on a YouTube how-to video that isn't mine for some clearer instructions. For my first build, I had Linus Tech Tips up the whole time because I had no idea what to do, so don't feel bad at all. This is the most ambitious video that I've done yet. And if you're still here, I wouldn't have been able to do this build without someone like you watching. So, thank you. I'm off for now to do some updates, cook some dinner, and take the fattest nap of my life. See you later.